In this problem, we need to calculate the drain to source voltage for the given MOSFET circuit. Pause the video right now and comment your answer before proceeding for the solution. Let's see how many of you can solve it correctly. Welcome to Electrical Engineering XYZ, where we solve electronic circuits in the simplest way. Given values are VGs off, supply voltage VDD, and drain resistor rho. In the step 1, we will calculate VGs. Since the gate is connected to ground and the source is also grounded, both are at 0 volts. Accordingly, VGS is 0 volts as well as shown above. Next, we will find drain current. When VGS is 0 for this MOSFET, the drain current becomes equal to IDSS. So drain current is 10 milliamps. Now, apply Ohm's law to find the voltage drop across the drain resistor. Multiplying 10 milliamps by 680 ohms gives 6.8 volts. Finally, subtract the resistor voltage drop from the supply voltage. That gives VDS 8.2 volts, which is our final solution. Did you get the correct answer? Subscribe to Electrical Engineering XYZ for more quick and easy electrical engineering solutions.